Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can send HD photos on Messenger to send anyone on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app of your Facebook. So you can see over here your Messenger list over here, or like chat list over here. So you have to simply do is click on that chat where you want to send the HD quality picture. You have to simply go to pictures and library. You have to simply select the video or like picture, and you will see over here on this menu pop up on the right side. You will see HD button. Click on that, and it's gonna be click on send, and then it's gonna be send it to HD quality. As you can see on the top of this, you can see over here HD logo over here. So this means your image is sent it in HD quality, and your friend will see this in HD. And that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.